Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Araceli BB Brow Pencil that I got in my October 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which by the way, if you have not seen that unbagging video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below so you can see all of the awesome products I got in that this month. But so I got this in the shade Blonde, and I'm excited about this because, first of all, I love filling in my brows. I mean, look at my brows not filled in. I just feel like I look so different, incomplete without filling in my brows. And I've tried out some eyeliners from the brand Araceli, and they're pretty good. So I think that this is going to be a great brow pencil. It retails for $17. It's cruelty-free, vegan. So I got this in the shade Blonde, but I saw that it only comes in 3 shades, which I think is definitely not enough. They had a black, a dark brown, and a blonde. And hopefully this shade will work for me. I love that it has a spoolie on one end, and it's a very skinny pencil that twists up. So this is definitely the format that I love in my brow pencils, and I'm very picky. So first I am gonna go ahead and brush through my brows, which are definitely a mess. And let's do a little swatch. Check out the color. Oh wow, very fine lines, not super pigmented, so I think I'll probably have to go over a lot to get it to show up. And it looks like a golden shade, so hopefully it works for me. I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in one of my brows. Oh, wow, those are some true hair-like lines. It literally disappears in my brow because actually the shade matches my natural brow hairs perfectly. And how skinny the little lines are also matches my natural brow hairs. So I'm just doing like little flicks to fill in like the front here where my brows are very sparse, and then just working my way to the tail to fill in any sparse areas and give a little bit more shape to the brow. But like, look at that. Oh my goodness. I feel like I don't even really need to use the spoolie to brush through this because I just like that it looks like actual hairs. And I don't really want to smooth them out. Like, I think you can kind of see maybe the color is just a little bit more warm toned than my natural brows, but it kind of works because I do have like, I mean, you can't really see with my hair up, but I do have in my hair like a range of colors going on. So it kind of matches the hair on my head. I like it. Okay, for this brow, I'm gonna leave it not spoolied, and then maybe on the other brow, I'll try it out just to try a few different methods, but I'm very impressed. I wish I could have gotten this in maybe like a light brown. I think that would be perfect. But it's very quick, easy to use. And I think because it's not super pigmented and it's a really skinny pencil, it makes it easier to use, especially if maybe you're someone that's just starting out with filling in your brows. I think it's like harder to mess up with a product like this. All right, so I like the shape of that. Now I'm gonna flip over to the spoolie and brush through. I don't know, it actually still looks really good with the spoolie. A little, yeah, like smoother. Looks a little bit less hairy as I brushed through with the spoolie. But I like the look of that as well. But that's cool though that you can get, depending on your preference, two types of looks. More of that like textured brow versus more of a smoothed out look. I like them both. Typically I do more of a smoothed out look, but this I feel like is maybe a little bit more on trend of how brows are looking nowadays. Let me know which brow trend you prefer. But overall, I'm very happy with this. It's a nice smooth formula. You can't notice any like flaking or texture in the brows. I do think I went through a lot of the product just filling in my brows, so I'm not sure how long this will really last. And $17 is pricey for a brow pencil when there are some amazing, inexpensive brow pencils that I think perform just as well as this. But that doesn't need to take away from how good I think this really is. Like, I really have no complaints. Let's see from the swatch if it smudges. Great, no smudging, long lasting. I think it says that it's waterproof, which I definitely want for my brow products. So yeah, I am happy with this. If you've tried it out, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.